The weather is doing this up and down here, and we're kind of on the downward trend as we head throughout the rest of the 7-day forecast. Winter, it's making a comeback. 34 degrees currently in Louisville, but take a look at those temperatures. These are actual air temperatures, not wind chills. Off to our west and northwest, a good chunk of the northern plains there dealing with temperatures below zero. 4 below in Des Moines and Lincoln, 15 below in Pierre, 25 below zero in Bismarck, North Dakota this morning. So some of this cold air will filter into our neck of the woods. Of course, not that cold, thankfully, but that's going to keep those temperatures in the 20s and 30s for your Thursday. Max HD satellite and radar showing all that rain, the foggy conditions, the mist. It certainly was a dreary Wednesday that we had yesterday. That's pushing off to the east. Ongoing snow in the northeast, some wraparound around the Great Lakes and into Canada. And then we've had some strong storms down throughout the deep south with this dynamic system. This is all continuing to push off to the east here. So we are drying things out. However, these clouds, they will be fairly stubborn today. Expect mostly cloudy conditions, maybe some more peaks of sunshine as we head into later on this afternoon and evening. And temperatures, they're staying pretty constant today because that cold air is moving in. Of course, typically we warm up during the afternoon, but that cold air will keep temperatures in the upper 20s, low to mid 30s, basically where we're at right now. You can see the feels like temperatures in the lower 20s. 23 is what it feels like in the Louisville metro. That's because of this. Winds are coming in from the west northwest, sustained at 17 miles per hour, gusting up to 26. And your hour by hour futurecast, as I mentioned, clouds will be stubborn to stick around today. We're expecting mostly cloudy conditions. Temperatures ranging from the upper 20s, low to mid 30s. Some breaks in the cloud cover by this afternoon and evening. More of that clearing expected by this evening and into tonight. And that's going to allow temperatures to plummet because winds will also be relaxing. So it will be a very cold start to your Valentine's Day. Temperatures will be in the teens to around 20 degrees tomorrow morning. We start off with sunshine, high clouds move in, and then clouds kind of thicken up throughout the day. Expect highs tomorrow in the 30s and 40s. Mostly dry for your Valentine's Day evening. If you're heading out to dinner tomorrow, best chance for maybe a spotty mix would be off to our north. Better chance for some soaking rain, some flooding rain moves in this weekend. You can see a flood watch now in place for all these counties in green along and south of the Ohio River. Much of Kentuckiana included in this, where we are expecting 2 to 5 inches of rainfall. We'll have some lower amounts to the north, heavier amounts to the south. But it's going to be sticking with us late Friday night, off and on throughout the day Saturday. So if you are heading out on Saturday, make sure you have that rain gear handy. You'll definitely be needing it. It will be heavy at times, and then by Saturday night and into Sunday, that cold air starts to catch up, and we could get a dusting of snow on the backside of that system on Sunday. Otherwise, staying very cold heading into next week. The warmest day we have on this forecast is Saturday with that soaking rainfall, 52. Otherwise, a lot of high temperatures in the 30s and lows in the 20s and teens.